Good morning. Welcome to your daily weather briefing at 10 a.m. We have some light rain showers that moved through earlier. Currently in a dry patch across the Wallops region. Going to be seeing some rain moving back in from the south, possibly some moderate rain at times. This morning, once we move into the afternoon hours, we'll see those rain showers starting to diminish across the region. It's going to see mostly cloudy skies out there for the afternoon and the evening hours. Once we get in the late evening hours, we'll pick up another chance of showers and possibly a thunderstorm across the region. Looking at the Mid-Atlantic region the last 24 hours, yesterday was a warm day across the region, seeing a high of 89 degrees here at Wallops, so really warmed up before that front moved through yesterday evening. Ocean City at 85, Salisbury at 86, and Norfolk at 91 degrees, and that was a warm spot. Across the region last night, seeing temperatures in the lower to mid 70s across the Tidewater and into the Wallops region. Seeing some locations in the lower upper 60s last night. Seeing Salisbury at 68 degrees. That was one of the cooler spots. Dover was the cool spot at 66 degrees. Wallops here we were 71 degrees. Last 24 hours we have seen some precipitation across the region. Some locations seeing a abundance of rainfall. Richmond saw over 7 inches of rainfall the last 24 hours with a thunderstorm that remained over the airport last night and actually caused the airport to shut down. So very heavy rainfall across the Richmond region with over 7 inches of rain reported, and that was even before their ASOS or their reporting station went offline. So they could have saw more rain than 7 inches, but looking like they had a lot of rainfall there. Won't be seeing anything like that here at Wallops. Just trace the last 24 hours. We're seeing some rain showers move through, as I said today. As of 9 a.m., we'll be seeing temperatures anywhere from the 70s to the 60s, seeing a 69 at Salisbury, Ocean City, 71 here at Wallops. Other locations seeing temperatures in the mid to upper 70s with anywhere from light rain to cloudy skies. Looking at our sounding as of 12Z this morning, we had a freezing level of 14,600 feet. Our winds out of the east-northeast to easterly component, around 20 knots at 1,000, 3,000 feet. Then once we move up in the column, we're seeing winds around 10 to 20 knots and out of the southwest this morning. Looking at our surface analysis as of 12Z, I have a stationary boundary that's currently across the central portions of Virginia into the Virginia-North Carolina border, and this frontal boundary was one of the reasons why that thunderstorm did train over Richmond and central to southern Virginia last night. This frontal boundary will be moving back towards the north as we move into the evening and overnight time period. That's going to give us our chances of showers and thunderstorms this evening. Looking at our prog charts the next few days, this is our Friday midday planner. This is showing some rain showers and fairly good coverage. I'm not expecting this much rainfall across the region today. I'm going to see some rainfall starting to build back in as we move into the late portion of the morning. But once we move in the afternoon hours, we should see a decent break in our rain chances. Looking at our Friday night planner, we'll have this frontal boundary moving back north through the region, and that's going to provide us with an additional chance of showers and possibly even a thunderstorm embedded into the showers tonight. Looking at our Saturday AM planner, we'll be moving into the warm sector of this frontal boundary, and we'll be seeing temperatures rising overnight. And once we move into Sunday PM, we'll be seeing a cold front starting to approach from the west. We'll have unstable conditions across the region, and then also a fairly active wind field across the area, so we'll be seeing some thunderstorms develop, and some of those thunderstorms could be strong with some gusty winds and heavy rain for our Saturday afternoon evening. Looking for our Sunday, we'll just be seeing hot conditions across the region. Seeing a dry day. We'll have a chance of some showers and thunderstorms and move into late evening on Sunday, but overall it should be dry and a hot day for Sunday. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have that rainfall this morning moving in, and we'll see that tapering off during the afternoon hours with only a yellow for our rainfall. Moving into the evening hours, we'll see rain chances pick back up, seeing around a 30% chance of rainfall across the region during the evening hours and a 20% chance of a thunderstorm. I have bumped up the thunderstorm chances by 5% since this morning with the system moving in for the overnight time period and the evening time period. Looking like we're only going to have about a 10% chance of a thunderstorm embedded during the morning and the early afternoon today, so only a very slight chance of that occurring. Our winds will be gusting about 22 knots today, so cannot rule out a gust near 25 knots, so went with a yellow for our risk for today into the late afternoon hours. We're seeing our winds anywhere from easterly to east-southeasterly moving the evening hours, and then overnight we'll see our winds becoming southeast to southwest, seeing our winds calm down as well out of the southwest 6-11 knots by tomorrow morning. High temperature will be during the evening today around 74 degrees. We'll see temperatures rising overnight into the upper 70s, and then by 8 local on Saturday we'll see a temperature already warm at 80 degrees. Also be seeing a chance of some lower ceilings tonight. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, currently we do have an overcast deck at 1,400 feet. We'll have a possibility of some rain showers moving through and also a 10% chance of thunderstorms. We'll continue to see these showers in the area till about 1,600 local today, and then once we move into the evening time period, we'll see a break in that rainfall. Once we move in the late evening, as I mentioned before, we'll have a chance of rain showers moving back in and a 20% chance of thunderstorms. And by tomorrow morning, we'll just be seeing partly cloudy skies. Our tides are a half to 1 foot above normal, and looking into Saturday into Sunday, Saturday will be partly to mostly cloudy and breezy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon evening. Some of the storms could contain heavy rain and gusty winds. It'll be hot with a high of 89 degrees. Orange for precipitation and lightning, and yellow for winds. Saturday night we'll have partly cloudy skies and humid conditions, a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm early, a low of 77 degrees, so it'll be quite uncomfortable for an overnight low at 77. And then Sunday we'll have mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies and hot conditions, a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm late, and when that shower or thunderstorm were to occur, it would most likely be during the late evening hours. I see a high of 92 degrees and a yellow for that possibility of that shower or thunderstorm moving into the region. Like in the next 7 days, we'll be seeing 74 degrees today, temperature not falling tonight but rising, seeing a low of 74 as well. We'll see 89 on Saturday, possibility of some strong thunderstorms in the region, and then Sunday looking at a hot day to end the weekend at 92. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday looks like high pressure builds in, less humidity, and very nice conditions overall. Temperatures anywhere from the mid 80s to the upper 70s. And then Thursday we'll see another cold front approaching from the west. Timing right now, that system's a little bit in question as it is several days out. It looks like right now we could be seeing a chance of showers and thunderstorms by Thursday evening with a high in the upper 80s. That's going to complete the 10 a.m. weather briefing today. I hope everybody has a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.